This is why you are feeling stuck. Embarking on a profound exploration today will unravel the intricacies of that persistent feeling of being stuck in life. Have you ever wondered why you find yourself in a state of stagnation, unable to move forward or manifest your aspirations? The answer lies in mastering the art of non-reactivity and understanding the undeniable truth of your vision. Let's kick off our journey with a revelation. Feeling stuck isn't a sign of failure, it's an opportunity for growth. Neville Goddard's wisdom reminds us that our perception often adheres to the limits of our senses, blinding us to the vast possibilities that lie beyond. To break free from this stagnant state, we must consciously disentangle our minds from the sensory evidence that reinforces our feelings of being stuck. Shift your focus to the realm of the unseen, where boundless possibilities await. Take a moment to imagine shedding the layers of limitation, immersing yourself in the intangible. Engage your mental faculties to such an extent that the invisible becomes as vivid and real as the world around you. Through this deliberate cultivation, your vision transcends mere imagination, taking on tangible form. Recognize that our senses are rooted in the physical realm, constrained by the limitations of this world. However, the incredible power of imagination empowers us to transcend these constraints. It's crucial to understand that our senses reflect subconscious beliefs and interpretations, not immutable truths. Embrace the exciting realization that you have the power to change those beliefs. In the pursuit of personal growth, release your attachment to limiting beliefs associated with your circumstances. The goal isn't to suppress reactions, but to authentically transcend reactivity and disidentify from beliefs that hinder progress. Reshape your reality and manifest your true desires by consciously choosing to detach from the grip of limiting beliefs. As you release identification with beliefs that have kept you feeling stuck, embrace a state of non-reactivity. What once provoked a reaction will cease to exist in your reality. Shed the belief that has held you captive, whether it's about your abilities, worth, or potential. Approach this transformative process with a sense of playfulness. Rather than engaging in fruitless battles with external circumstances, focus on reshaping your internal landscape. With unwavering confidence, release any beliefs that no longer serve your growth and embrace a deep acceptance of yourself. Witness the magic as your reality transforms, joyfully attracting experiences and opportunities that align with your newfound empowering beliefs. You hold the power to break free from the shackles of feeling stuck. Let go, believe, and savor the extraordinary transformation that awaits you. Consider this journey as reclaiming the reins of your destiny. Just as in Neville Goddard's teachings, where the power lies within to shape your reality, you are the creator of your narrative. Others and external circumstances merely serve as messengers, reflecting your state of being. In moments of feeling stuck, remember, the key to change lies within yourself. Trust in your ability to transform and navigate life's challenges. Release the need to alter external forces and turn your focus inward. The first step is accepting yourself completely, acknowledging your formless awareness and the embodiment you have chosen in imagination. As dissatisfaction with your current situation arises, reimagine your relationship with it. Shift your perspective, reshaping its manifestation in your reality. Always remember that consciousness is unified, and your imaginings have the power to shape your outer reality. While it's essential to acknowledge the evidence presented by your senses, cultivate the ability to perceive the invisible. deliberately detach your mind from sensory perceptions, focusing on the unseen realm. This is where the true power of manifestation lies. Release the need to struggle with external circumstances. Instead, reimagine them in alignment with your vision. Allow your reality to unfold effortlessly and harmoniously as you consistently cultivate this inner shift. Your outer reality will seamlessly respond to the world around you. Hold on to it with unwavering faith, sensing its presence with all your being. Remember that setbacks and challenges are not signs of defeat, but opportunities for growth. Embrace them as valuable lessons and stepping stones toward your ultimate vision. Refuse to be discouraged by temporary obstacles, for they are mere illusions that can be transcended. Maintain a positive mindset, focusing on what you want to create rather than what you currently perceive. Keep your thoughts aligned with your vision, consistently affirming and visualizing its manifestation. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether through uplifting books, supportive individuals, or inspiring environments. Be patient and persistent in your practice, understanding that Rome wasn't built in a day. Trust in divine timing and have faith in your ability to co-create with the universe. Allow the process to unfold naturally while taking inspired action toward your goals. Take small steps each day that align with your vision and watch as the universe conspires to support you.